All right, so let's give it up for Ify. That's right, everybody, give it up for Ify. All right, good. Okay, so thanks a lot, Ify, for sending in your name for today's Igbo name of the day. So Ify, her full name is Ifeoma. Come on, everybody, say that with me. Ifeoma. Good. All right, you guys ready to translate that name together? Okay, cool. So Ifeoma, Ife means thing, right? It just means like whatever you're about to describe next, right? So Ife, you're just talking about a thing. It just means like thing or something, something that is, right? I guess that's like a good translation for this context, something that is. And then Oma means good or beautiful or amazing or positive or something that's wanted. You know what I'm saying? So basically, Ifeoma together means something that is good, something that's beautiful, something wanted, or something amazing, beautiful, gorgeous, magnificent, you know, things like that. Ifeoma. So I think another good translation for the name Ifeoma is lovely. So saying Ifeoma is like saying lovely, all right? Ifeoma's names give them the power to be full of life, positive, and they have a great sense of style and fashion. Tag and share this video with all the Ifeomas that you know. Thanks. Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji nilo nono wakwezo.
Yeah.
All right, so Ifeoma, aka Ify, what do you think? Would this be a great name for you? Like, do you like these concepts, these ideas for Igbo Nigerian names? Are you expecting a child that you might want to give a similar type name? Let me know in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what you guys have to say. My Instagram is also linked in the description if you'd like to send me a private message. So if you would like an Igbo name, or if you would like to name a child that you're expecting, just let me know what type of name concepts you have in mind. I can suggest a good baby name for you if you would like a name from your African roots, from your ancestors, you know what I'm saying? So in our culture, we believe that whenever someone says a child's name, we're invoking the power and the strength and blessings from God through that name whenever someone calls your name. So imagine that anytime someone says your name, they're saying something amazing about you. A lot of our names are spiritual names, or they're names that kind of just speak power and just manifest things, you know, just different personality traits. You get what I'm saying? So if you have a concept for a name, let me know. Anything you want to manifest or speak into your life, into your child's life, let me know either in my Instagram. Check out, I'm also a photographer, so check out my photography, and you can just send me a message as well too, or you can leave it in the comment section. Either way, I could also ask you questions to get to know more about your personality and give you the closest matching Igbo name to the name that you want. So I can give you a name on the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway series, right? That's a different playlist on this YouTube channel. This playlist is the Igbo Name of the Day. So if you are Igbo, I can feature your name just like I did Ify's name on the Igbo Name of the Day, which is this series, all right? So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit that bell button so you can get a notification whenever I post my next video. It could be the video that I make for you. So every like and comment goes a really long way, so I really appreciate it. Every time you like and comment, it helps the YouTube algorithm send this video and display it to people just like you who might be interested in African culture, Igbo names, things like that. So I appreciate you guys helping me out and helping the YouTube algorithm out do what it does, right? So thanks a lot. If you like watching this video, please hit that like button. If you didn't like watching this video, then just tap it really lightly instead, all right? Yeah, so please feel free to share this video with anyone who might be interested. Thanks a lot. I appreciate you guys' support of this YouTube channel that highlights Igbo Nigerian names. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.